Hey everyone, let's look into our credit-based vending machine. First, we gotta select the food that we want. Let's say I want number 1. Now it says to insert the ID card. Every BUET student has a unique barcode on the back of their ID card. After the card has been scanned, it asks for the secret 3-digit PIN number. After the PIN has been verified, we can see that the food is being exported using a servo motor, and there are 2 lasers which will be cut when the food falls, and when the food falls the laser cuts and the servo motor stops. Then the purchase is complete. Also, an email is sent to the customer which contains the purchase receipt. After the purchase has been completed, an Excel file is created on the server under the student identification number, which includes the date, time, food item and the price of the purchase. Suppose someone hasn't cleared their last month's dues. Let's say this guy. Let's see what happens when he inserts the ID card and tries to purchase again. It shows that you have dues left and thus he cannot purchase any food anymore. Now let's see what happens when someone tries to steal a food. We can see that the buzzer is making noise. Now on the screen we can see that the server shows that there is a security alert and the authorities have been notified.